have a question. Henry, do you think mustaches are popular? Do you think mom is ugly?
That's what I'm wondering because I can't imagine any of that.
Do you think mom is ugly?
That rapidly that it's like damaged your eye that
Do you think?
just over 2 days.
Do you think I need to go to bed early? Do you want to watch TV? I have one more question to ask you. And my question is, are you fat? Are you? Are you the fattest dog in the world? At least answer this. Are you tall? No? Do you have no teeth in the front? Can I get a close-up on this, Henry? May I please? Let me show you your teeth. Look, Henry. Henry. Can I show you your teeth? Henry, let me show you the teeth. Let me show you. Sorry, peoples. I can't show you his teeth. Henry, can you make a frowny face? Well, of course, you already have one. You're an old 10-year-old dog. You're a big dog, aren't you? Why aren't you barking? You're a funny dog.